a major update from YouTube which can actually affect our YouTube earnings. Now, I'm sure you might have seen email or that would have come saying that, okay, important, upcoming tax changes to your YouTube earning. And you see the same thing on your AdSense account as well. And you see the same thing on your YouTube studio. What exactly is this and to whom this is applicable? Let me tell you, this information is very crucial. So make sure you're going to watch till the end. And this is applicable for people whose channel is monetized and you're earning money from it. And for the people who are building their channel to earn money from YouTube, it's really, really important information. So first, let me tell you for whom this is applicable. This is applicable for all the creators outside US. Either it could be India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, whatever you want to name. All other countries come under this. Now, what exactly is this? So if you see, YouTube is saying that, okay, it says Google will be required to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside of the US later this year, okay, as early as June 2021. And they say that for deducting the accurate taxes, we should be filling out the details by May 31st, 2021. And if we fail to do that means if we fail to update the tax information on Google AdSense, okay, by 31st May 2021, YouTube is going to directly deduct 24% of the earnings, whatever you are going to get from across the world. Okay, so that's a major deduction. It is going to happen if we are not going to give the details. What if we give the details? How much is the money that is going to be deducted? I'm going to explain that in complete detail. So let's watch that. And when they say about tax deduction, okay, this amount is deducted only from the earnings whatever you generated from US. Okay, now say for example, okay, you generated total $1,000 in this particular month, okay, and you earned maybe $100 from US. So that means if you share all the details, only for that $100 is what the tax is going to be applied. Why? Because that $100 you generated from US. So there are multiple ways to earn money from YouTube. Let me tell you what are the earning ways that are actually impacted by this. So you could see that revenue earned from viewers in US through ad views, YouTube Premium, Super Chat, Super Stickers, and channel memberships will fall under this. That means any revenue that we generated in this way, okay, from US audience, the tax has to be paid or the tax will be withheld by YouTube. So let me explain in detail. So again, they are saying submitting tax info to Google. The last date is 31st May 2021, and I would say that, okay, do not wait till that point. So you can certainly go ahead and do it immediately, okay. If that is not done, 24% of your earning worldwide will be deducted, okay. That means if you earn, let's take for an example of earning $1,000. So they have given all the complete details here, okay. How will this affect my income? Now let's say for example, okay, you are earning $1,000 on your YouTube channel and $100 is coming from US. So in this case, if you don't submit any details regarding the tax, okay, you'll be straight away paying $240 as the tax which will be withheld by YouTube. Why? Because we have not given the details. So you could see that the final tax deduction is 240 USD because the withholding tax rate is up to 24%. This is for creators does not submit tax info. Now say for example, okay, we submitted the tax info, okay, with respect to India, creator submits tax info and claims a treaty benefit. Now India and US is in a treaty benefit, okay. You could see that, okay, India and US is in a treaty benefit. So for that matter, we are going to pay 15% tax on the earning that is generated from US or from the audience who watched from US, okay. Now if we consider 15% of $100, so that's going to be around 15 USD. What is the tax that will be withheld from the earning? Now this is not applicable for India. Creator submits tax info but is not eligible for tax treaty benefit, okay. So somebody who do not fall under the tax treaty benefit, they are going to pay 30% of tax. That means they are going to directly pay $30 for 100 USD what they would have earned from US viewership. Now this is a very important information that we should be considering. Now, how do we actually submit all the details? Now, if you go to AdSense account, you see in the top section, okay, action required. All YouTube creators and partners submit your tax info to ensure all applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. Okay, so click on manage tax info. Okay, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete it. Okay, so they are saying to get paid out from Google, make sure to provide your tax information. This will take a few minutes. So you just have to start following this instruction to complete it. Maybe I'll make a separate video to show you it in detail how exactly to do it. So let me give an example by showing from my channel A2C Arts and Crafts what could be the tax deduction that could be happening. I'm just going to give as an example with recent earning so that you get a clarity. So I'm in my channel A2C Arts and Crafts. Now if you see here, so this is actually showing the earnings from various countries, United States, India, Brazil, Germany, Canada, right? So there is all the earning that has been listed here. Now you could see that in last 28 days, I have generated over $381 from US viewership. That means US audience have watched videos, and because of that, I have generated $381 either because they watched a full ad or they clicked on the ad or whatever it could be. So I generated this. Now that means for this $381, I'll be paying 15% as tax. Now when I say as 15% for this, it is going to be anywhere around $55 to $58, something like that. So that is the tax I'll be paying. So in that way, the easiest way for you to check is go back to your channel, okay, and go back to revenue section and go back to geography and see the earning what you see from United States. So that is going to give you an idea what is the likely tax that will be deducted or withheld by YouTube on your particular channel. Okay, so if you submit the details and if you are Indian creator, then you would be paying 15%. If you fall under, if you are from any other country and if it is not in tax treaty, then you might be paying 30% as the tax. Okay, so I hope this video was informative. So please do make sure to submit the tax details because it's really important so that you get the right earnings to your channel. If you have any question that is related to YouTube, just comment below. And if you have any questions that is related to this tax information, just comment below. I'm happy to answer that. Please do subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you always get the accurate details and the latest updates about YouTube. See you in the next video.